Welcome back to Vlogmas day 14, I think. I'm currently at my studio and I have to kind of like hurry because I have a facial right now. I literally drove home from Champaign this morning. Like, I just got to my salon. So let me, this is dead, that's nice. Let me click myself for a second. Alexa, off. I'm so red in the face because that facial made my face like warm with the mask, but I'll literally be back here in a couple hours. I'm just gonna go home and eat something really quick, and then I have an enzyme facial later. Have returned. My salon is kind of a hot mess. Let me clean this up a little bit, get it ready for a facial, do my laundry, like unload the laundry. Yeah, I have my friend coming in, so I think I'm going to record it and maybe make a TikTok. But let me light my candles first, actually. This is my favorite candle from Target. It's the Casa Luna one. Smells super good. Let me turn on LED light. Whoa, so bright. Okay. This going. Hot water. And then let me unload my.
I got my head out the sunroof, I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. You got those pretty eyes in your head, you know it. You got me dancing in my bed, so let me show it. You are exactly what I want, kinda cool and kinda not. Wanna give myself to you. Yeah, we're driving down the freeway at night. I only got one thing in the back of my mind. I'm feeling like this might be my time to shine with you, with you, with you. I got my head out the sunroof, I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. I got my head out the sunroof. You got me stuck on the thought of you.
Perfect. Okay, so I just did my friend and I tried to make a TikTok, so I'm gonna try and edit it together and see if like I actually made a good one. I don't make them very often, so we'll see. But now I need to kind of clean this up really quick and then I'm gonna go home.